Animalpedia. Type of dogs: French Bulldog. These goofy companions are known for being easygoing and compatible with families or apartment life. 2. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Cavaliers are excellent at adapting to family life, dealing with apartments, and keeping older humans company. Basset Hound. Short and stubby and with ears for days, Basset Hounds tend to be quite low-energy dogs. 4. Irish Wolfhound. Wolfhounds tend to be affable with other canines, low-shedding dogs and happy to sprint around the yard or park for a little, while rather than hitting the trails every day. 5. Golden Retriever. The Golden Retriever is one of the most popular dog breeds in the United States. The breed's friendly, tolerant attitude makes them great family pets. 6. Newfoundland. As long as you can tolerate some shedding and drooling, most Newfoundlands are happy to indulge in your comfort-seeking lifestyle. 7. Bulldog. Many bulldogs and bulldog mixes are goofy, friendly, and confident. 8. Greyhound. Like wolfhounds, greyhounds are classified as sighthounds. 9. These regal dogs are bred mostly to lounge around the house, seeking out the most comfortable spot on the couch. 9. Pug. Unlike many dogs their size, pigs don't tend to be nervous or barky. They tend to be goofy and playful, but tire quickly. 10. Great Pyrenees. This can mean that Great Pyrenees and Great Pyrenees mixed breeds aren't a good fit for apartment living or homes with lots of kids that come and go. 10. Great Dane. 11. Whippet. This small and regal sighthound is a true creature of comfort. They can be reserved or even shy with strangers. 12. Maltese. Like the Havanese, Maltese and Maltese mixed breeds are highly affectionate and bright little dogs. 13. Beagle. These merry little dogs are incredibly social and will thrive on a household that gives them plenty of social attention. 14. Alaskan Klee-Kai. The Alaskan Klee-Kai is a small-sized companion dog that is alert, energetic, 15. Akita. The Akita is a muscular, double-coated dog of ancient Japanese lineage famous for their dignity, courage, and loyalty. 16. American Eskimo. The American Eskimo dog combines striking good looks with a quick and clever mind in a total brains and a beauty package. 17. Chow Chow. Like many of the stockier northern breeds, Chow Chows tend to be pretty low energy. 18. Havanese. If you're looking for a funny, outgoing small breed to fit into a quieter household, the Havanese is a great breed to consider. 19. Samoyed. This goofy, charismatic breed is highly adaptable and gentle. But while they're bred to pull sleds through the snow, 20. Boston Terrier. Bostons are friendly, cheerful, and adaptable. Most are happy to relax at your side after a daily walk, but this breed varies a bit in exercise needs. 21. Shiba Inu. These little trouble foxes are adorable and quirky. While their aloof nature might not be the right personality match for everyone. 21. Border Collie. The Border Collie race is often referred to as the smartest dog. Border Collies also have the characteristic shepherd's eye. 21. German Shepherd. The German Shepherd or Alsatian is a German breed of working dog of medium to large size. Thank you for watching our video. See you next video. Please subscribe and like our YouTube channel.